Welcome to Tomilo's new manufacturing campus. Spanning over 96,000 square meters, this state-of-the-art facility marks an exciting new chapter in our company's journey.
At the heart of the campus stands our 10-story office building, a symbol of innovation, ambition, and growth.
Inside this modern workspace, teams from R&D, sales, quality assurance, engineering, and human resources collaborate every day. Here, ideas turn into solutions, and innovation drives our progress. Our manufacturing area consists of 5 production buildings, with multiple production lines running efficiently in parallel, showcasing strong manufacturing capacity and forming a solid foundation for the company's growth. Sheet metal fabrication, refrigeration systems, electromechanical assembly, pre-assembly, and system commissioning. Each area works seamlessly together to ensure precision, efficiency, and quality. At Tomilo, we believe a healthy team builds a strong company. Our fitness center provides employees with a space to stay active and energized. This is our main conference hall, equipped with advanced meeting technology. From strategic planning sessions to international client meetings, this space supports collaboration at every level. Our company cafeteria offers a variety of fresh, nutritious meals every day. Because even on the busiest days, good food keeps our team energized and ready to perform. This is a Harvard classroom designed for focused training sessions and collaborative discussions. And our multi-purpose auditorium provides a larger venue for conferences, seminars, and company events. We also offer private reception suites designed to host important clients and partners. Our rooftop parking area is equipped with solar photovoltaic canopies, combining practicality with renewable energy. Tomilo's new facility combines efficient offices, comfortable living, and green sustainability to support both business growth and employee needs.